Guys, I think it's a glass. It's a glass. It's a glass. Chain itself. Can you see? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I got this gift from one of my favorite auntie, and I decided to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is called a juice extractor, and the name is Kafaga. I call it 4-in-1 juicer. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that is inside. Okay, so this is an 800 watt BBC 70D 12-month warranty juicer, and it is huge. A big thank you to my favorite aunt. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm not taking this for granted. Okay, so guys, let's start the unboxing. Drum rolls, yay! So I think this is the front. Yeah. Let's start. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. Alright. Okay, so I think this is like what you used to push down the fruits when we put it in the I think the centrifuge. Is this centrifuge? Let me know go and blow in which one. I think this is the collector. This is the cup you used to collect when you finish juicing. Okay, so I think this is what you use to scoop it around, like to make sure that all your fruits, the fruit that are on the side, are getting inside. Just to push it, like just fluff it down. Oh well, I think this is for the smaller jug. All right, so we are done with this. Now to the major ones. This is the jug. The jug is a 1.5 liter jug, and I think it's glass. This cannot ceramic. Hang it and try to remove it. Sorry, I'm being clumsy. So this is the cover. Let's cover up the jug. Guys, I think it's a glass. It's a glass. It's glass. Hey God, help me not to break this jug. It's a glass jug, guys. It's a glass jug. And you cover it. Yep. So this is the jug. Let me set it aside so it won't break. I'm already scared. This. Okay, I think this is a dry meal. This is for a dry meal. Yeah. I think this is the guarantee card. So after 12 months, you get to repair. I think repair without or return within that 12 months. So this is it. This is the manual, instruction manual. That's what I'm supposed to bring out first. So it has all the whole thing going on. So there's a Mincer container. Okay. This is a mincer. Like I can use it to mince my meat anything I want to chop. I can even use to chop my peppers, like you know that brick kind of pepper, not the blended ones, just to chop it, chop. And I think what they call it a miser, and I think it will be good for meat. So if you want to do your minced beef sauce, your meat pie, anything that has to do with beef, chicken, any of your protein, you can use this to mince it. So this is a miser jug. I think this is a dry mill. Let me confirm what the name is called in the oh yeah, it's a mill. Yeah, it's a dry mill. So you can use it for your egusi, your ogbono, anything you want to dry, any dry thing, your crayfish, your dry fish, anything dry that you want to use to blend. This is the mill right now. This is the miser. I just want to mince anything you want. So I think this is the big gun. The big gun is coming out. Oops. Oof. Ooh la la. So this is what this looks like. Sorry, let me push this to the side so you'll be able to see it properly. Okay. So this is the main juicer. And this is what the eggs look like. So this is the control panel, right? This is control panel. Like this, the start, the select, the power on. I think there's this light that comes on, and you'll be able to see anything that you want, anything that you want to do. Oops, did it just reboot? Yeah. So I think this is the juicer, and you use your cup to receive it. This is your receiving cup, and I think the receiving cup will be here, right, like this. I don't know if you can see this. Let me go up a little bit so you can see it. Oof. So that's it. And I think you want to use for other things, you just something like this. You remove it's detachable. See? So I'm removing the juice extractor. This is the machine itself. Can you see? So I can remove it and put my jug on it. I'll blend, put my miser on it, and the mill on it. It's all glass, guys. It is all glass. This has to be handled with care, like the uttermost care. So let me turn this back. Yeah, so that's all about our kafaga, I call it for your mom juicer. I'm going to be trying this weekend, and I'll be showing you what it looks like. I'm going to be giving you a review of what the works look like. But it looks so cute, like, and I love black. It came in my favorite color. Like, you guys, I'm a black lover, and this is just so beautiful. This is like a dream of every juicer, every smoothie maker. This is awesome. I love it so much. So a big thank you once again to Auntie Lady. I don't know. I just called your name. I know you won't like it, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I used all of these things. So keep at it, or should I say, don't touch that dial till I come your way the next time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and switch on the notification bell so you can get my video when I post the concluding part of this video. Okay, so thank you guys, and